My heart sings with love so true for the Prophet pure and due. Like the sun, his face so bright, glowing with Yasin's light. With a gesture the moon he split, even the sun bows to his wit. Mercy flows from his kind hands, guiding hearts across the lands. What a blessing, my beloved Prophet, kind and gracious, pure and modest. Even for foes he prays for peace, his love and mercy never cease. Stones were thrown, yet he forgave, prayed for those who misbehave. Every step he walks so pure, spreading love forevermore. He lifts the weak, the lost, the poor, opens hearts, unlocks the door. A light of hope, a guide so true, brings the lost to paths anew. What a blessing, my beloved Prophet, kind and gracious, pure and modest. Even for foes he prays for peace, his love and mercy never cease. Those worth roses fills the air, everywhere he once stood there. Oh, my soul longs just to see the blessed face of Nabi. Oh my Lord, just grant me this, to be with him in eternal bliss. I am a servant, weak and small, but his mercy stands for all. I need no wealth, I need no fame, just his love, just his name. Forever in his love I'll stay, till I meet him on Judgment Day.